you make a sudden plan that now I should move to India.
Okay.
And
Right. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, I am very open minded. Yeah.
the local religion, I mean,
Uh huh.
right?
Okay.
So it
But it's
happens. But
probably because it's part of the culture also. It's like you say, it's in with the people, so naturally you would just start being like them. Mhm.
yes, it happens. And you know one thing, when not when, I mean, there is advantage and disadvantage with every religion.
Of course there is. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes. And it happens only when you belong to another religion,
Uh huh.
right? But I would also say that if you believe that God is one,
Mhm.
then there's no matter which religion you are
Exactly.
living with.
No, I agree with you. 100%. Definitely. Mhm.
Yes, there might be different names of God, different shapes of God,
Yeah.
different faces of God,
Mhm.
but God is only one, right?
Exactly.
You worship God in your way, I
Yeah.
worship God in my way. But
Exactly.
the final result should
It's
be
the
the
same.
same, which
Exactly.
is called peace, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and suddenly something came in my mind, and
Uh huh.
I want to say that I am connected with an international peace speaker. His name
Uh
is
huh.
Prem Rawat. Okay,
Mhm.
Prem Rawat. Okay, wait a sec. I'm writing.
Yeah. Right for me. Mhm.
Okay, I did it. So
Spremwawa.
his name is
Okay. Yeah.
Prem Rawat, and I highly recommend you to search for him. Okay,
Mhm.
uh, make a research about him, and
Okay.
he talks about the peace, the real peace which exists within every single human.
Mhm.
Okay, no matter which religion you belong to,
Uh huh.
the first thing is that you are a human being,
Yeah.
and the first religion which comes in front of us is humanity.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
yes. So, and there is a thirst inside of every single human, and we came on this earth to feel that thirst, or you
Uh
can
huh.
say yes, or you can say to kill that thirst by peace, and the
Mhm.
peace exists within you.
Yeah.
So when you experience that peace, you will feel that now you are full.
Uh
Now
huh.
you are completed.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. Yes. So I will highly recommend you, and I highly recommend you to make a research about him,
Mhm.
and must um, must listen to him. His
Mhm.
video you will get on websites. His name is
Yeah.
Prem Rawat, and there is an application too in
Okay.
the name of Timeless Today app.
Mhm.
Timeless Today app. Okay,
Yeah.
you can install it, and his words will definitely gonna touch you,
Yeah. Mhm.
and then you will feel that this is the real Georgina.
Oh, okay.
Then you will feel,
Yeah. Thank you so much for that.
yes,
Very
and
interesting.
yes, it is something. Though we have everyone, though everyone does everything for your
Mm.
life, for your profession, for your living,
Yeah.
but something, the real first, that we are finding something outside to fulfill ourselves.
Mhm.
Okay, but until you meet with that peace which exists within you,
Mhm.
you will never feel yourself full until you
Okay.
meet with. So I would say that must listen to him, must watch him,
Mhm. Mhm.
and you will feel an amazing change in yourself, I would say.
Wow.
And you are the second tutor. I'm talking about him.
Okay.
And
Right. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, I am very open minded. I do like learning new things, new ways to find, myself, different things,
you
different
know, George,
perspectives of things.
yeah, right. You know, Georgina,
Hmm.
uh, there's a time comes in every single person's life when he or she thinks that there is nothing or good thing for me or for her.
Hmm. Hmm.
They think, okay.
Yeah.
So in this kind of situation, when you feel depressed,
Uh huh.
when you are under depression,
Hmm.
there is something which you can experience to fulfill your life.
Uh huh. Yeah, I believe
By the way,
that. That's
we have just few seconds.
no, I know time goes so quickly.
Yes,
Thank you so
and
much for that. I will definitely look into it.
thank you so much. And
It was lovely
if you get
meeting you.
any problem, if you get any
Hmm.
problem, you can also write me on my Insta,
Okay.
experience with Anuj. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice
Bye
day.
bye.
Bye.